Okay, this video is for order number 20011675413, and it's to demonstrate two faulty ESCs. There were 6 ESCs purchased in this order. I'm only testing 4, the other 2 are spares in the box. I'm not bothered taking those out just yet. Now, just checking the camera, you should be able to see the multimeter, and hopefully you can see where I'm pointing the probes at. Okay, so the first test I want to do is plug in the LiPo and measure the voltage from the carbon fiber frame. Now, when these motors were attached to the frame, I would pick up this one, I think gives 0.2 volts, this one's giving something like 1.2 or upwards of 1 voltage. So these are the ones that's faulty. It's not the motors, it's the ESCs, right? These ones aren't doing that, which is why they're still attached to the frame. So plug in the LiPo. First thing to test, so blinding. Alright, so this probe is going to positive. Careful not to short anything. Touch the carbon fiber frame, and you're not getting any reading. Okay, you don't get anything, right? So it's 0 there. I can't see that, only you can, but I can see it through the phone. So that's the frame, right? Now let's probe the motor. Okay, so just take note, I don't think it's the motor that is faulty because I've replaced the motor. I think it's the ESC. So look, there's still a there's no chance it's the motor because I took one that I know that is working. Okay, this is gonna go to positive. Normally I do it this side, but the light is just too bright, it's blinding me, so I'm just gonna put the positive there. Touch the motor. See, I can see on the phone it says 0.84 volts. Yep. Okay, so this one's giving 0.84. This one is giving me like 0.1 or something before, but I don't know. Maybe it goes up or down, whatever. But it shows that that one's got a voltage, right? Do the same thing on this side. It's probably harder for you to see this time. Just take my word for it. Probe goes to positive. Here. This one's giving 0.8, 0.2, 0.15. Maybe the battery is getting low. Well, I'm using a 2-cell battery just for testing purposes, but I remember the voltage was higher before. But look, anyway, it's showing 0.15 of a volt, so that clearly demonstrates that there's current going where there shouldn't be going. And obviously it has nothing to do with my wiring, because like it flies and it works and all that. If it was my wiring, things would have been blown up, but it's not that. The case is, for some reason or another, I do not know why, current is being transferred from the ESC to the motor when it's not on and it's idle, and that should not be the case because these ones, it doesn't do that, but these ones do that. So I have derived at the conclusion it's the ESCs. I don't think it's the motors. I'm pretty sure if I take a solder wire in it and I remove these motors and I put it in here, I'll still get the same result, because I think the ESCs is like sending the current down the line when it shouldn't be. So that's what I think the problem is. I'm not an expert, but I think I know enough to say, you know, well, that's what I know. It's up to hobbyking now to take that information and make their assessment, and hopefully the RMA will get passed, I suppose. So that's my video for now. If they need more information, then they'll contact me and let me know, and I'll provide any other information that they need. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Bye.